Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today, we'll be reviewing the AhTech, AhTech, Infinity 3350 kV 2 4S LiPo brushless motor. Brushless. This is one of the cheapest brushless you can get from the market. This only costs 3,500 from Sir Patrick of HGA, link in the description. And this is owned by Sir, sorry, I'm bad with names. Yun. Sir Gio Rico, one of my longtime friends and customer, on his bolt pistol, I mean, SIG MPX. I'm going to use my old reliable ZOP Power LiPo battery, which is 60C 2250 milliamperes battery, also link in the description, on what it will be the difference on rate of fire. This is an all stock setup. The only difference on this one is the cylinder head has been changed to a better one, so there will be no leaks, and that's basically it. This is all stock. We'll see what is the difference in terms of FPS, RPS, and of course, wattage of this unit with the stock motor and the brushless. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first let's try the watt meter. Initial setup is ready, go. 18 amps. Let's try again. I cannot see. Oh, very efficient. Starting spike of 18 amps, then goes back to 8 to 9 amps. That's weird. Why is there a spike? Now, for the rate of fire test. Unit, trash can, and firing. 3, 2, 1. It's... Ooh, something wrong. 34.8 RPS? Really? Let me try again. I'm having misfeeds. No bullets. Let me try again. Okay, trial again. And firing. It's really fast. Around 39, 35 RPS. Because of the... for some reasons, the gears of this one is short stroke. I don't know if it's intentional by the third party or modified by someone else. Anywho, let's try the other motor. Okay, this is now the AhTech brushless, and it's connected on a low configuration. So let's see how much is its usage. And firing. Wow, only 7.8 max. Semi. Very efficient. Pull out again. Nice. Interesting. Okay, now I'm going to set it to high mode. Now, the AhTech brushless is set to high. Let's try first the semi. As expected, the speed is too high. It's becoming tri-burst or double burst on semi. But 14 amps only. Let's try full auto. Woo! Scary. It's scary. Let's see. Amps usage. 10 amps and it sounds scary. Wow. Let's check the RPS. Okay, now it's on high mode. Chrono test. Let's see if it will feed at all because it sounds too fast. And firing. It's too fast. It's definitely too fast. It's not registering well. Uh, it's so fast that it destroys the gels and it's not showing the correct RPS. I'll be using software, no, not software, uh, Audacity, audio recording software to check the RPS of these items. And be right back. Okay, so after installing and testing, I was able to get this infographic. Stock motor is 23 RPS with an amps usage from a spike of 17, then goes down to 7 amps. That's the usual. The the brushless, AhTech brushless is low mode is from 35 RPS, 25 RPS, which is 2 RPS higher than stock motor, and amps usage of 7.8 to 10 amps. So similar to the stock motor in terms of power efficiency, but doesn't do spikes. And the high mode is 34 RPS, uh, around 11 RPS. Yes, 11 RPS than the stock motor. And still 10 to 14 amps in usage. So it's slightly 3 amps higher than stock motor, but much, much, much faster. I think this might have a problem with feeding because it's far too fast. And depends on the user. Uh, One might have to make it a little bit lower depending on who you're playing with. And considering that the magazine of this one is very limited, this will get used up very, very, excuse me, very, very fast. And during testing, a few bursts, this is already empty on the fast mode. Is it connected? Oh, it's disconnected. Good. So, uh, on this brushless, it's cheap. It works well. It's very efficient. Is it worth the 3,500 pesos? It depends. In terms of power efficiency and torque, it is better than stock. I did not try a heavier spring because I do not want to break the unit. I will be doing a more comprehensive brushless trial on my MP, uh, on my, not TM, what's the brand of the LDT MP5K. It has a stronger gearbox. Wait for it soon. Okay. Uh, Again, this is the cheapest brushless in the market, and it has a, you can configure it to low or high. If it's too fast, just set it to low mode and you can play safer from other units because the chances of it breaking will be much lower. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!